couple questions.
Yep.
One, aren't you supposed to be working?
We are.
Oh.
This is for the business.
I'm confused too, Samantha.
Two, don't you have a job to do right now?
What?
Don't you have brush mowing to do?
Yeah, I have to go get the brush mower.
Oh, you quoted jobs without a brush mower
I
and
knew
got
we'd buy
them?
one. It's just a matter of finding the right one.
So you have a job to do, but you need to go buy the equipment first.
Yeah, I have a brush hog for a tractor, so I knew if I quoted all these jobs, worst case, I'd rent or borrow a tractor. And,
My dad does have a tractor.
Right. So I knew one way or another, or even he had mentioned before doing some brush job,
Like kind of subbing it out.
And so has Austin. I don't know if he has a brush mower, but I mean, I knew if I
Right.
took the jobs, I'd get them
If
done.
you got them, you could do them.
Yeah, but instead we
were like, hey, let's start buying attachments for the skid steer.
Yeah.
So you want to go?
And we got this last night. Swapped out the 8-foot one that we never used with the rubber edge for a 10-foot with a poly edge. So this is going to be a lot more useful for us.
I'm so sad you're talking snow.
I know. But this is the time of year. And this was like the introductory. This was like keep the boys going for another couple hours because I knew I was leaving to get the mower. Needs to get painted regardless. It looked horrible. So
wait.
Now,
so another question is, does this mean I have to measure and make decals?
Yes. But here's my other question. Ultimately, I'm thinking that loader.
Oh my gosh, the color.
Yeah. Ultimately, I'm thinking that loader all black. Because
Yeah.
it was all cleaned up and fresh and painted, but there's like 2 different yellows and it's faded now. And so I was thinking the loader would look really cool with black. If anybody watches like Ken White Construction,
those are
all
pretty
their
cool.
stuff is black. And
You wanna be that guy?
cool. And he's in Canada, so it's not like I'm like right down the road.
I mean, kind of.
And
Canada's
my stuff is nowhere near as nice as his stuff, and we don't do dirt work like that. Anyway,
nice.
and then in white letters,
Okay.
in white letters it says white, obviously like white, the last
right.
name.
The business.
So I'm thinking Poulin, like on the side of the loader there, and it'd be like, Poulin here, and then the little bobcat thing back there, and then like just Poulin right there. And then if it was all black, maybe do 763 and a couple white stripes. So it's like kind of factory.
Yeah.
But like,
I think it has to be Poulin property maintenance, not just Poulin.
Well, and the arms could just be Poulin.
Poulin, and on the back it could be.
It could have the logo. That would be cool.
Or the logo.
I said
What
black,
do you say,
I
Harvey?
said black with the weight still being orange and the wheels being orange, so it kind of sort of matches the Kubota.
I
Well,
say
and that was my other
black with the wheels and the thing being the wheels being black and this being white with the black logo.
White?
Oh, no.
Well, then all black. I don't want orange.
I say all
Although
black.
we do have orange stuff.
I say factory, all black, or orange, and it would match the Kubota. I mean,
be
it's a
honest
Bobcat,
here.
but it's a Kubota motor.
Let's be honest here, if you just paint it back white, it's going to look the cleanest out of any other.
I think it's
think black
Joe's
would look
business, whatever you want to do, honey.
But
But
it's gonna get painted like once a year anyway. This is the same thing as John's. We painted like once a year, freshened it up.
yeah.
So,
But back to business, Harvey. Could I kindly just remove these because they're
can I look at your
blocking these cool new hats that you can find at poulinproperty.com? How's it fit? How do you like it?
It's the same as the rest of the.
It kind of looks weird on you because I've seen gray Poulin, a gray Poulin hat on your head for like 3 years. So you changed up the
It'll
color.
probably last like a week.
Nah.
oh yeah.
Actually, I do like it.
Clean and still wear your other
I
hat.
do like that.
Yeah, and then I remember whenever I put on a new hat, when they're not broken into your head, they fit weird, and then my glasses fall off really easily. I don't understand.
So you have to wear it all the time to break it in.
Yeah, and then just break it through, and then put on a different hat, and then it's fine.
Nah, you'll just keep wearing this one.
No, until it's junk, like really junk, and then you just grab another hat. It's like I have 27 sweatshirts and 17 hats.
And 20 shirts, but that Poulin, P-O... No, I don't think that's how you spell it.
I have like 20 of these too.
Yeah. Sawyer,
Yep.
how's it going?
Freaking man.
Yeah?
Yep.
Look at these shirts. You can also get those on the website, along with other fun sayings. You guys hard at work?
Hardly working.
Hardly working.
One of the things that made this look better is
Well,
Back.
is he giving you a hard time, Sawyer?
You have to look back and you have to just yell.
Oh, he's
get off your
making
fucking
sure-
phone.
He's looking at his girlfriend.
He's the one that was making cancer jokes, dude. Like, seriously?
Yeah, that was rough. That
I don't even want to know.
no. Don't worry, I yelled at him.
Yeah, he did.
Little bit of elbow grease.
If it's gonna be black, the wheels can probably stay right on because I can just rattle can all in here. But if it's gonna be white, these should probably come off.
So what's it gonna be, YouTube? Paint it
You
white?
can do a poll on the video.
I can do a poll on the YouTube video?
I believe so.
Do I have to listen to them if they pick a color I don't like?
White, refresh it, or paint the skid steer black?
I think we should do white.
Okay, here's the deal. The two youngins are working on the skid steer. Our side-by-side has a pop tire, so we bought 4 new tires. I think they're bigger, I don't know. But Harvey's working on that. And Joseph and I
Going to get us something.
are gonna go pick us up that
doing this?
brush hog. Hey. Hey now.
Yeah, curl out a little more. Curl out. Go down. Now go forward. Yep. Now go up and curl back.
I think I need this. Those backs need to be bent down first. Can you just cut the bottoms of the, or, yeah, probably. If you just cut the 2 bottoms on the back, then it could be bent down.
Go back here.
Yeah. And then I can just slide out in the back of it.
Did you lock it in?
He's drinking his water with no hands. I would say the blades look so little for the thing being so big.
The chassis of it looks rugged.
Oh yeah. Like I said, there's a guy that not only did the stump jumper and then blades, but one guy even put 2, you know, like the stump grinder teeth. He put 2 teeth, well 4 total, but 1 on each side opposing the blades on that pan. So like you can set it down on a tree and it just mulches it right down. And he said the machine takes it like a champ, so.
That one's crazy.
Where is it? It'll get oil on it in a second. Go up and just bump it. Push the hydrant, yeah. So, make sure it's going the right way. I don't know if these. Oh, maybe the blades are sharp in both directions.
That one,
All right, it looks like the new tires are on and they all hold air, which is a plus. We can use the side-by-side again. Bentley, how's this beast coming?
We got all this done with the DA. Not perfect, but it's smooth and no sticky stuff on it.
Yeah.
So it'll be fine to paint. We'll wipe it off again, just with like black thinner or something. Just like get it all clean
Yeah.
before it actually painted.
Well, good job,
It
bud.
might not look it, but it's smooth compared to what it was.
Right.
Like all this, like that was all done up.
Yeah. Good job,
Even
bud.
on these corners.
Oh
like,
yeah, even this, you guys.
Yeah, just chipped and then with a DA, got it smooth. Still not perfect, but it's being painted like once a year. It's paintable for how we're doing it.
Right. You guys got all under here.
We didn't get like that, but we cleaned everything.
Yeah.
Got the muffler, but
This looks good all out in here.
yeah, that doesn't look the best, but it was horrible before. And this is getting covered with drip tape again.
Oh yeah.
So like this side we got pretty clean, but you can still see there's some residue. Like
Yeah.
right there. But this side, it's not really sticky, but you can still see like
Bentley, do you think Dad should paint it white or black?
black.
Sawyer, do you think Joe should paint this white or black?
Black.
Oh, 2 for black.
Yep.
I think Joe's for black.
Yeah.
I think Harvey might be the only one that hinted towards white. Joe. Joseph, do you think you want to paint the skid steer black or white?
I think black.
What do you say, Harvey?
It's not mine, I don't care.
Which would you paint it if it was yours?
I think the black would be cool. I think for it being an older skid steer, it would look cleaner, probably the factory colors, but
What, white or black?
white.
White.
Like factory colors.
Oh,
White
oh.
with factory decals and
Gotcha.
orange wheels and orange back.
All right, that's 4 votes. 4.5 votes for black. Half a vote for white, because Harvey says either way.
Oh.
So leave in the comments. Should the Bobcat skid steer, do you think we should just freshen it up, paint it white, or should we paint it black, tin, you know, the whole thing? Let us know. Leave it in the comments. Danger. Stay back. I am
Suck
kind
it up
of
to
scared.
sand. That's not even full throttle, I don't believe.
hold that up so I can see it? Oh, like the tip of the blade on the right side. Well,
I
it
know that
didn't.
even if I can't get the stump jumper, if I can't get a stump jumper right away and I gotta order it, I do know that some people said the blades are garbage and they upgraded the blades right away, like Tractor Supply or something. So
I would say, does Tractor Supply have that if
so
we
I'm
run
gonna
out?
pull the blade and that piece,
I can drill a hole in one of the mower blades.
and I'm gonna look at Runnings and Tractor Supply and see if I can get everything I need.
You go back
Okay.
to Claremont?
Yeah.
So how's that make you feel, Joe? You ruined $2,500 in 2 minutes.
ruin $2,500.
It only took you 2 minutes.
I didn't even go into
Mine-
anything but thick grass.
Mine
May or
is,
may not have hit a rock.
or there's stumps in there, aren't there?
Although I could have just heard the blade break off and smack the side of the.
That's almost worse than Harvey. Take $2,500 and just throw the money out the window.
It is not. It's literally just a blade. And I knew this buying it. Which toolkit has that big?
The hardwood furniture one definitely does, but you probably get 2 wrenches out of the wrench set and get that off.
All right, well, I'll let you guys work on the
I need an
upgrade.
impact to take that whole thing.
We knew this
Oh,
was
we can try to just
what
start
we
with
were
the
going to
blade.
do anyways, so it's not a big shocker. But we'll let Joe work on how soon we can get the upgrades. We wanted to play with it a little bit longer than 2 minutes, but I guess it is what it is.
Hey, you
Any-
guys had it for like an hour at least.
On the trailer. Any last words, Joe, before we say bye to YouTube?
I'm just looking at parts.
All right, well, you do that.
Stay tuned for tomorrow. If I get
If we can find
if I
something
get this
local.
tuned up, we'll be running it.
If not Monday
All right.
or Friday or something.
Well, thanks for being here, YouTube. We appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't, check out poulinproperty.com. We got shirts, sweatshirts, hats, air freshener, stickers, all the fun things. We've been building it up all summer, so we would love to ship you guys some orders. But yeah, hopefully we'll find some parts. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll show you what this thing can really do, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace out, YouTube.